Did you know that 70% of people who start a fitness regimen don't see the muscle gains they expect? Despite all their efforts, many are missing out on one crucial factor: nutrition, and more specifically, the drinks they consume daily. In this video, we'll be breaking down how the right drinks can boost your energy, accelerate muscle growth, and improve your overall wellness. Hey everyone, my name is Here. I'm a certified fitness trainer and nutrition coach with 5 years of experience in helping people reach their fitness goals. Over the years, I've discovered that the right balance of nutrition and hydration can make all the difference when it comes to muscle growth, energy levels, and overall health. Personally, I've struggled with the same challenges, and I'm excited to share the strategies that have worked for me and my clients. In today's video, we're diving into a full tutorial on how you can supercharge your fitness journey with daily healthy drinks. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact recipes to boost your energy, nourish your muscles, and stay on track with your fitness goals. We'll also talk about common mistakes to avoid and how you can customize these drinks to suit your needs. For many people, despite working out hard in the gym, muscle growth remains elusive. The reason, often, it's due to improper nutrition and hydration. Many individuals are consuming sugary, processed drinks that dehydrate them, spike insulin levels, and hinder recovery. Without adequate hydration and the right nutrients, your muscles can't recover and grow properly. That's where healthy drinks come in. These are not just for hydration, but for fueling your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids it needs to thrive. If you're not seeing results, you might be frustrated, exhausted, and wondering if something's wrong with your training. Not addressing your nutrition can lead to fatigue, prolonged soreness, and even injury, all of which can derail your progress. Take Sarah, for example. She trained 5 days a week but wasn't gaining muscle mass. After tweaking her daily drinks to include protein, greens, and hydration, she saw a 15% increase in muscle mass in just 3 months. Or Mark, who struggled with afternoon crashes. By swapping out sugary drinks for a homemade electrolyte booster, his energy levels stayed stable throughout the day, allowing him to train harder and recover faster. So, what's the solution? A combination of nutrient-dense drinks that enhance muscle recovery, boost energy, and support overall health. In this video, I'll share my top daily healthy drink recipes, explain how they work, and how you can incorporate them into your routine. 1 morning muscle recovery shake. Start your day with a powerful mix of protein, carbs, and greens to fuel muscle growth and recovery. Ingredients: 1 scoop of whey protein or plant-based protein, a half cup spinach, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, almond milk. Instructions: blend all ingredients and enjoy. Mid-morning electrolyte booster. Stay hydrated and energized with this homemade electrolyte drink. Ingredients: coconut water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a pinch of sea salt, honey to taste. Instructions: mix and sip throughout the morning. Pre-workout energizer, for a natural energy boost before your workout. Ingredients: 1 cup green tea, chilled, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon maca powder, a squeeze of lime. Instructions: mix and drink 30 minutes before your workout. Post-workout muscle replenisher. Rebuild and refuel with this nutrient-packed drink. Tablespoon peanut butter, almond milk. Instructions: blend and drink right after your workout. Let's break down why these drinks work. Starting with the morning recovery shake, the combination of protein and carbs helps replenish glycogen stores and repair muscle tissue. The added greens, like spinach, provide essential micronutrients that promote muscle recovery. The homemade electrolyte booster, on the other hand, replenishes lost sodium and potassium, essential for maintaining hydration levels, especially if you're sweating during workouts. According to sports nutrition expert Dr. John Ivey, consuming a post-workout drink rich in protein and carbs within 30 minutes of exercise can significantly improve muscle recovery and growth. This is backed by research showing that the timing of nutrients plays a crucial role in how effectively your body recovers. Infographics illustrating nutrient breakdowns of the drinks. Diagrams showing how hydration impacts muscle recovery. Timelines for when to consume each drink throughout the day. Show yourself making the drink step by step, followed by a quick demonstration of how they fuel your workout. For instance, after drinking the pre-workout energizer, you can showcase a few exercises, for example, squats, deadlifts, to show how it boosts energy. Use on-screen text to highlight key ingredients and their benefits. Incorporate a split screen to show before and after results from following this regimen. One common mistake is relying on store-bought energy drinks loaded with sugar. These might give a quick energy boost, but they lead to crashes later. Instead, opt for natural ingredients like green tea or coconut water, which provide sustained energy. Remember, consistency is key. Start by integrating one drink at a time into your routine and gradually build up. Also, try to batch prep your drinks to make it easier to stay on track throughout the week. Let me know in the comments which drink you're most excited to try. Also, share your favorite go-to-healthy drink recipes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Share this video with anyone who could use a little extra boost in their fitness journey. Have a question or a topic you want me to cover in future videos? Let me know in the comments or hit me up on Instagram.